Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to the CAFA Nations Cup official draw. My name is Ildar Garifulin and it will be my pleasure today to take you through the anticipated draw ceremony. To the participating teams, head coaches and passionate fans watching us online today, welcome again and thanks for joining. Now I would like to pass the floor to the CAFA General Secretary, Mr. Ulukbek Karimov, for the welcome remarks.
Thank you, dear Ildar. Warm greetings from Dushanbe, dear ladies and gentlemen, dear participating teams, head coach, and all those who are watching us online today. Today is a historical day for our region, since we are launching draw for CAFA Nations Cup, and this beautiful tournament will be hosted by Uzbekistan and Kyrgyzstan. And I would like to emphasize that this tournament, this event will be conducted for the first time ever, and we are really proud of it, and we are really we really want to conduct this on a high level. I'm a little bit nervous, so I'm sorry for that. And we hope that this tournament will bring joy and excitement to all of participating teams and all those who are going to watch and support their teams. Thank you. Thank you, Ildar.
Thank you, dear Mr. Ulukbek. And just to add to that, it's our pleasure and honor, and we hope that everyone involved will be left with great memories on and off the pitch. Sure. Now, before we move on, let me guide you through the draw mechanism of the competition to have a better understanding of today's main highlight. So, the draw mechanism. Let's start with the entries, and a total of 7 teams will participate in the CAFA Nations Cup 2023, and we're glad that Oman, as a non-CAFA member association, will join 6 CAFA MAs in the framework of collaboration between Central Asian Football Association and West Asian Football Federation. Going next, seeding for the draw. Seeding of the CAFA member associations for the draw will be based on the latest FIFA World Ranking available at the time of the draw. It's important to highlight that non-CAFA member association will be allocated in a separate pot for the draw. Competition format and mode of competition. The competition will consist of 2 stages. Group stage and the playoff stage. Group stage, teams in each group will play a 1-round league where each team shall play 1 match against each other. Group winners and runner-up teams shall be determined in accordance with the number of points obtained. In the playoff stage, which will consist of 2 matches, 3rd place and the final match. As it was mentioned before, all 7 teams will be divided into 2 groups of 4 and 3 teams respectively. Teams drawn in Group B will play their matches on 10, 13 and 16 of June. Group A matches will be played on 11, 14 and 17 June accordingly. 2 top teams in each group, 4 teams in total, will advance to the playoff stage, which will see 2 matches played on June 20, 2023 in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. 3rd place match will be played between the group's runners-up, followed by a final match between the group winners to decide the champion of the competition. Moving to draw principles. All participating member associations will be allocated into 4 pots for the draw. Thus, in pot 1 we have Islamic Republic of Iran, Uzbekistan. In pot 2 we have Kyrgyz Republic and Tajikistan. In pot 3 we have Turkmenistan and Afghanistan. And in pot 4, as already mentioned, we have Team Oman. And some of the main principles are: the host associations, Uzbekistan and Kyrgyz Republic, will be automatically placed in position 1 of the group A and B respectively. The host associations, Uzbekistan and Kyrgyz Republic, cannot be drawn in the same group. Teams from the same pots cannot be drawn in the same group either. And last but not least, the first and second ball drawn from each pot shall be placed in group A and B accordingly, unless otherwise stipulated above. Moving to draw mechanics, kindly note that the draw will take place starting from pot 4 to pot 1 until every pot is emptied. The ball drawn from pot 4 will be placed into position A4. In the pot 3, the first ball drawn from pot 3 will be placed into position A3, and the second ball drawn will be placed in position B3. Moving to pot 2, Kyrgyz Republic, as one of the host associations, will be identified by a different color ball and shall be drawn first and placed in position B1. And Tajikistan will be placed in position A2 accordingly. And for the pot 1, Uzbekistan, also as one of the host associations, will be identified by a different color ball and shall be drawn first and placed in A1. And Islamic Republic of Iran will be placed in position B2. Okay? And this concludes the draw mechanism, and now we should proceed to the draw itself. And now I would like to kindly request the CAFA General Secretary to conduct the draw, please.
Thank you, Ildar. As we have mentioned it, I guess I should start with the pot 4.
Yes, please. We have 7 teams divided into 4 pots, and we start with pot 4 where we have Oman team, and please confirm that. Team Oman, ranked 73rd in FIFA World Ranking, takes position 4 in Group A. And here is the important note: shall there be team number 8 entering the competition later on, it will be automatically be placed in position 4 in Group B. Thank you, and we move to pot 3 where we have Turkmenistan and Afghanistan.
Okay, thank you. Turkmenistan.
Okay. Team Turkmenistan, which has 2 appearances in the AFC Asian Cup in 2004 and 2019, takes position 3 in Group A. And we have 1 more ball in pot 3. Please confirm the team.
Yeah, automatically Afghanistan goes to Group B, I guess.
Thank you. And yes, joining Group B and traveling to Bishkek, we have Afghanistan. Afghanistan takes position 3 in Group B. We're moving to pot number 2, and we have Kyrgyz Republic and Tajikistan there. Kyrgyz Republic, as one of the host associations, is identified by a different ball color and was drawn first.
Kyrgyz Republic.
And here is the confirmation. Kyrgyz Republic, which will participate in its 2nd AFC Asian Cup next year, takes position B1 and will be hosting Group B. Our next team.
Tajikistan.
Team Tajikistan, which will participate in the AFC Asian Cup 2023 for the first time in its history, takes position 2 in Group A. And moving on to our final pot, pot 1, where we have Islamic Republic of Iran and Uzbekistan. Again, Uzbekistan, as one of the host associations, also needs to be drawn first. Thank you.
Different colors for the hosts.
And here is the confirmation.
Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan takes position A1 and will be hosting Group A. So there is only one ball left for the remaining spot in Group B.
Islamic Republic of Iran.
Islamic Republic of Iran, the highest ranked team, takes position 2 in Group B. Thank you, Mr. Ulukbek, and that concludes the draw.
Yes, Ildar, that concludes the draw, and we wish all the best in preparation for the participating teams, and best of luck in preparation for the organizing associations as well. We hope to see you soon in Tashkent and Bishkek. Take care.
Thank you very much. And there we have it. The groups are confirmed. So just once again, Group A will see the best performances of Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Oman, whilst the Group B will see the performance of Kyrgyz Republic, Islamic Republic of Iran, and Afghanistan. We again want to convey our message of wishing good luck to all participating teams. Thank you very much for being with us today, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
صدای هشدار داور بلند گردید و رقابت دسته‌ها آغاز شد. دقیقه اولی رقابت عزیزبک با او کسی کمک کرده نمیتواند. سلطانوف در احاطه الکه فوتبال بازان میزبان قرار دارد. از نیمه راست میدان این کار او چگونه انجام بدهد؟ بهترین فرصتی مناسب بود برای خیلی ضربه قوی و امکانیت